Hello, everybody. How are we doing? Before I go any further, I have to say thank you. The amount of people who have gotten in touch with me in the last week or so has been incredible, asking to send me goodies and treats and all that kind of stuff. So thank you ever so much. From a previous snack crate that I did, again, I had said, if there's stuff you want me to try or whatever, please feel free, send me something, and I will gladly taste it. Well, one of my viewers, all the way over in Israel, sent me a small little goodie box today. And he sent me, sorry, I'm trying to reach it, sent me a nice little letter, and basically just telling me, that he really appreciates everything. It was his little way of saying thank you and stuff. I've already opened the box. I've already seen what he sent me because when it came, it wasn't labeled. I had no clue. So when I opened it and I saw, well, that's that. But he sent me just a few little things. And basically, he sent me a bunch of chips. I'm reaching down beside me to get them. So they're all from the same company. They're all from Osem. And they're all Israeli treats or Jewish treats. And I've seen them before. I actually had a snack crate with one of them. But he was really, really nice to send me, straight from Israel, a bunch of treats. So I told him I would do a very quick little video and to thank him and everything and let him to see how I like them. So the first thing we're going to try are, and forgive me if I'm screwing up the name, but from Osem, the Bisley onion. It kind of looks like they're little onion rings. And it says a flavored wheat snack. So, never know. They kind of smell oniony and weedy and stem. Kind of look like, oh god, what are those little rings? I can't think of the name. Very, very crunchy. Extremely crunchy. But the taste is really, really nice. Very, very tasty. And that crunch is like addictive. You can tell it's like a wheat snack just because of that crunch. But the flavor is really good. It's light. It's not overpowering. I don't feel like I'm going to have onion breath for the next 2 days. But they're really good. We'll just put that one aside. Those are so good. I don't know if the little pause there was evident or not. Sorry. I had to run and get some drink. So this actually, today is a thank you video in a way, because everything I'm doing here is stuff people sent me. This was from my Secret Santa. And she sent me this great thermal mug or cup, tumbler, that I use all the time. Just a little something to cleanse the palate, so to speak, before the next one. So these are also, like I said, Beasley. They're all Beasley. They're all the same company. It's just he sent me some different snacks, and these are barbecue. And these almost look like little rotini pasta. So, they smell the exact same as the others. They kind of have a weird smell, but it's that kind of weedy smell. Yeah, they look just like little rotini pasta. Need more data. One thing I'm noticing with these, believe it or not, is I get the taste of what it is right away. It hits you like, boom, okay, this is barbecue. It's nice, it's smoky, but as fast as it hits you, poof, it's gone. And then you're tasting the wheat snack. And it's not a bad thing. It's nice. It's different. So I've got 2 left. And he actually told me to have that one either first or last, since that's a sweet one. But so once again, these are pizza flavor. And you know me, I love pizza. Same smell. So far they're at least doing better than the Indian box that I got, where everything, oh man, the smells were incredible. They love their shapes. This is just cute. We'll give it a try. All of them have that really strong crunch. And to be honest, as much as I love pizza, and I really wanted these to be the best, I'm getting zero flavor other than the actual wheat snack. And they're good, but they have no pizza flavor to them. It's almost as if I'm trying to imagine what a pizza tastes like. They're tasty, but so far of all of them, I think I'd go with the onion, believe it or not. So the last one we have, also from Awesome. These are called Bamba, and they're peanut puffs. And it just says a craveable peanutty crunch. Okay, these actually smell like peanut. These smell like peanuts. And they look just like a Cheeto. Except for the fact they aren't neon orange. Favorite. It's a corn puff. It's nice and soft. It's chewy. It's got all that same stuff that we love about cheese puffs, except it's peanut butter flavor. And I know they didn't do this, but it's what it feels like. It's almost like they dipped it in peanut butter. And it feels like there's a layer of peanut butter on it. Really, really good. Those, by far, my favorite. And when I'm editing the video, these will be the first that I eat. So like I said, it's short, it's sweet. It was just a quick little video to say thank you, Yosef, Mazel Tov. Those were really, really nice. I loved tasting them. And to everyone else, if there's things that you want me to try, get in touch with me. I'll put my email down in the corner here. Get in touch. We'll see what we can do. I know shipping can be ridiculous. We'll work on that. So, there we go. I want to thank you all for watching this video. I want to thank you all for just taking a few minutes, stopping by, and showing me your support. If you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button. That'll be up in the corner. Or actually, it'll be down here is the one you have to click. The one that says subscribe. Please hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't like. The only way these videos get better is with your input. Otherwise, I just think you like what I'm doing. But it also shows YouTube that people like what I'm doing, and that helps even more. Share this with your friends, share this with your family, Share this with the neighbor down the street. We're all in the same situation now where can't do too much else, so you might as well watch a good video. So until next time, I am the 5 p.m. chef. My name is Andrew. Have a great day, and we'll see you all again really soon.